Erase wrinkles naturally with the golden anti-aging oil. Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Health for You. If you're looking for a natural, simple, and powerful way to fight wrinkles and bring back that youthful glow, today's video is exactly what you need. We're going to show you how to make a 100% natural golden anti-wrinkle oil that helps smooth your skin, restore elasticity, and boost collagen. All from ingredients you can find right in your kitchen. No expensive creams, no chemicals, and no complicated steps. Just a few pure natural ingredients blended with love and patience. So, grab a seat, relax, and let's dive right into this golden secret to youthful skin. Part 1. 0040. Why natural remedies work. Before we start mixing, let's take a moment to understand why natural remedies like this actually work. Our skin, especially as we age, begins to lose collagen, that essential protein responsible for keeping it plump and firm. The result? Fine lines, wrinkles, and a loss of elasticity. But nature already gave us the tools to repair and protect our skin. Fruits, vegetables, and herbs are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and essential oils that feed the skin, fight free radicals, and stimulate natural regeneration. The best part? When you use ingredients in their raw, natural form, you're delivering the nutrients directly, without fillers, preservatives, or alcohol that often dry and damage mature skin. That's why this golden oil is so amazing. It combines powerful natural ingredients: orange peel, carrot, bay leaves, olive oil, and coconut oil, into one deeply nourishing elixir that your skin will absolutely love. Part 2. 2 downgrade ingredient. Number 1. Orange peel, the vitamin C superstar. Let's start with the first star ingredient, the orange peel. Most people throw away the peel without realizing it's actually the most powerful part of the fruit when it comes to skincare. Orange peel is rich in vitamin C, a natural antioxidant that boosts collagen production and brightens dull skin. It also contains natural acids that help exfoliate dead skin cells, leaving your complexion smoother and more radiant. In this recipe, we'll use 1 whole orange. First, wash it thoroughly using a tablespoon of baking soda to remove any dirt, wax, or pesticide residue from the skin. Then, grate or grind the peel into a fine texture. This powdered orange peel will be the base of our golden oil, giving it that beautiful citrus scent and collagen-boosting power that helps fight wrinkles and sagging skin. Part 3. 315. Ingredient number 2. Carrot, nature's retinol. Next up, we have the humble carrot. But don't underestimate it. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, also known as natural retinol. Vitamin A is famous for stimulating cell turnover, reducing fine lines, and helping repair sun-damaged skin. It's like giving your face a mini rejuvenation session every time you use this oil. To prepare it, take 1 small carrot, wash it, and grate it finely. This step will release the juice and nutrients we need. Together with the orange peel, it will make your oil glow with color, and your skin glow with health. Part 4. 420. Ingredient number 3. Bay leaves, ancient secret of youth. Now comes an unexpected but magical ingredient. Bay leaves. Yes, the same leaves you use in soups and stews. They're not just for flavor, they're ancient beauty secrets. Bay leaves contain compounds that improve circulation, tone the skin, and fight inflammation. They're also packed with vitamin C, vitamin A, and minerals that help nourish and tighten your skin. In this recipe, you'll need 6 bay leaves. Tear them slightly to help release their essential oils and add them to your mixture. These leaves will give your oil a subtle herbal aroma, calming, earthy, and deeply soothing. Part 5. 530. The oil base, olive oil and coconut oil. Now let's talk about our liquid gold, olive oil and coconut oil. These two are the perfect base for any natural skincare product. We'll use 50 milliliters of olive oil, a rich source of antioxidants, omega fatty acids, and vitamin E. It hydrates, repairs, and strengthens your skin's barrier, keeping it soft and youthful. Next, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil adds antibacterial and moisturizing benefits. It locks in hydration and gives the oil that smooth, silky texture your skin will love. When combined, these oils act as carriers, extracting all the goodness from the orange, carrot, and bay leaves, turning them into one powerful, rejuvenating blend. Part 6, 6:45, Preparing the Golden Oil. Now that we have all the ingredients ready, let's make the magic happen. Place all your prepared ingredients, the orange peel, grated carrot, and bay leaves, into a small heat-proof bowl or jar. Add the olive oil and coconut oil mixture on top. Prepare a double boiler setup. Fill a pot halfway with water and place your bowl inside it. Heat gently for about 15 minutes. This slow heating process allows the oils to absorb the active compounds, vitamins, and aroma from the plants. It's a gentle infusion that transforms the oil into what we call the golden anti-wrinkle elixir. As the oil warms, you'll notice the scent of citrus and herbs blending together. Fresh, soothing, and absolutely therapeutic. Part 7, 8:10, Straining and using the oil. Once the infusion is complete, remove the bowl from heat and let it cool slightly. Then strain the oil through a fine sieve or cheesecloth to remove the solid parts. What's left is your pure, golden, anti-aging oil, rich, aromatic, and full of nutrients. Now comes the best part, applying it. Take a few drops on your fingertips and gently massage it onto your clean face and neck. Use upward circular motions to improve blood flow and help the oil absorb deeply into your skin. No need to rinse it off, just let your skin soak in all that goodness overnight. With consistent use, say 3 to 4 times a week, you'll start noticing smoother skin, reduced fine lines, and a healthy natural glow. Part 8, 9:30, The Science Behind It. So, why does this combination work so well? Each ingredient contributes something unique to your skin. Orange peel boosts collagen and brightens the skin. Carrot provides vitamin A for cell renewal. Bay leaves stimulate blood flow and fight aging signs. Olive oil nourishes deeply and repairs the skin barrier. Coconut oil locks in moisture and keeps skin soft. Together, they form a synergy, a natural collagen booster that restores elasticity, smooths wrinkles, and protects your skin from daily stress and environmental damage. This blend is also rich in antioxidants that neutralize free radicals, which are one of the main causes of premature aging. Part 9, 10:50, Tips for Best Results. For maximum benefits, here are a few simple tips. Always apply the oil on clean, slightly damp skin. This helps it absorb better. Use it before bedtime to let your skin rejuvenate overnight. Store the oil in a dark glass bottle away from sunlight. It can last up to 2 to 3 months. If you have sensitive skin, test a small drop on your wrist first. And don't forget, beauty starts from within. Drink enough water, get good sleep, and eat vitamin-rich foods like fruits and vegetables. Your skin reflects your overall health. Part 10, 12 Closing, the golden secret to youth. So, there you have it. The secret recipe to youthful, glowing skin. A simple blend of natural ingredients that you can easily make at home. No chemicals, no synthetic perfumes, no hidden toxins. This golden oil not only makes your skin look younger, but it also helps you feel more connected to nature, more mindful about what you put on your body, and more confident in your natural beauty. Remember, consistency is key. Apply it regularly, believe in the process, and your skin will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Health for You. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us keep sharing more amazing natural remedies to keep you healthy, beautiful, and full of life. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay healthy, stay radiant, and see you in the next video.